Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to back up data on OPPO Find X9 Ultra. Let's begin. So first we want to simply go into the settings, then scroll all the way down and enter System and Update. Now you want to go into Backup and Reset, and simply at the very top we have Backup and Migrate, though technically the Google backup with Google account and this being checked on automatically counts as a backup. Not only that, it is cloud backup, but I wouldn't really count it, it really depends on how you see it, but technically by simply checking in and making sure that you are logged in into a proper Google account is already backupping your data. But let's do it the proper way. Let's go into Backup and Migrate. And now we have two options. First one is Clone Phone, which allows us to clone this device into other. And this is technically a backup, yes, but it's not really what we are looking for right now. Instead, we want to go into Local Backup. And as you can see, we have no backup records, so let's go into creating new backup. Now we can select data which we want to backup, so we have 3 out of 3 items. And we have few things to choose from. We cannot back up our messages and call logs, unfortunately, but we can go with apps, though without the data, preference settings, which are very, very low, and contacts, which is also very, very low. Obviously, our apps are the ones that take the most space, and if we click that, we can actually fully customize which applications we want to leave and which not. But let's say I want to do all of that, so let's go and simply click Start. And as you can see now, we are just backupping the applications, and if we would have a lot more of the gigabytes of data, then obviously it would take much, much longer. So yeah, we can hit Done. And as you can see, we have our backup with the date and the hour of doing that. And as you can see, it is recommended that you copy backup files to your PC or a USB flash drive to prevent data loss. So now all you want to do is basically take this, and as you can see, this is our data, and put it somewhere else. So for example, you can copy it onto cloud, like Google Drive, or onto a local hard drive from your PC or basically anything else. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found something useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.